and then 14th century in small bricks.
What's the story behind that balloon?
There's no story.
You can make one up.
I'm going to tell you another one.
Go on, George.
So here, the Bonifacius Bridge, 1910, a very young bridge. We called her also the Marriott Bridge. Young married people, they come to the bridge to make some pictures. Okay. You know, when you've been married, it's game over. It's finished with a good life. Huh? Then, from then on, there are rules. Where is my wife? Huh?
There's rules.
And on the left side here, some private houses.
Oh, nice.
Built between 16th and 18th century. Now used as bed and breakfast.
Did we get to see the dog?
Yeah, but I think the window's gonna be closed, you know, by that weather.
Throw some rocks at it and have an open it.
So here on the right side here, behind the bridge, we have the old hospital of St. John from 1188, not more be used since 1976. Inside we have the Hans Memling Museum. Hans Memling was a German painter. There is also an old pharmacy that you can visit from the 16th century, here on the right side.
Low bridge.
And on the left side here, we're going to see some almshouses, houses for the poor people. We have many of them here. On the left side here. This is with one front door, then you come in the garden, and then you have all these little houses. And on the left side, we have the lowest bridge in town, so protection for your heads and your umbrellas. When you've seen a captain without hair, you know what's happened. It was the bridge. You see, I have all my hair, no problem. Well, everything's still there.
There we go. Lowest bridge in town.
Yep.
Pretty low.
So here,
Don't later.
I'm trying to
on the right side here,